What's up, YouTube, man? Today we got my boy Rico out here. I want to teach this worm how to ride, man. What you got? What you got going on over here?
Little YZ80.
Little YZ80, fresh, man. She fresh. You scared? Cause you was a little scared of that 21. Let me see how you go in here and do this. You shouldn't be that really. You shouldn't be that scary. You know what I mean?
Grandpa compared to that.
Yeah. Let's go. She got that new gas. Turn gas on though. Gas off. There it go. Damn, that was close. I ain't had no gas. First time, man. We had to put the bike in the igloo, you know what I mean? We here. Let's get it, Reek.
Don't gas it. Kick it, don't gas.
Remember how I do this shit? Yes, sir.
Yo, while I'm teaching you, we're gonna stay right here on the grass at first. Until you get like the basics, you feel me? Then you're gonna go all the way down. But right now, we're gonna stay right here on the grass.
That's that fresh 80 for y'all, man. Come over this way. You remember how I taught you? You remember how I taught you, right? Come this way. Oh, you gotta chill. You gotta chill. I told you, you gotta play with that. You gotta play with that clutch on yours. You can't just pop it fast. You see, you gotta ease your shit. Your shit hit a little harder than mine. Feel me? Your shit got that fresh top end power, that loud noise, that smack. He know. He know. Yeah. Come on. Waiting on you, brother. Give it gas too. You gotta give more gas. He know how to do it. Let him stay on there. You gotta give gas too. You gotta ease it, you know? Your bike ain't gonna let you cheat like my bike. My bike, that 21, that shit cheat. Your bike, you know what I mean? You gotta go slow and let it out. Kick it on, nigga. Let's get it. Hold up. Give it gas.
Put some gas in. I ain't put nothing in the backyard. Oh, yeah. I mean, it might be good, but still, just so we
Nah,
know.
I need some.
Here, I'm smoking.
That shit ain't got nothing. We're gonna push over to the grass. We're gonna get on the grass and we're gonna get you right. Cause how I lifted up for you, that wouldn't have been a good one. So you know how to get it going. Let me see you get it moving first. If it gas, baby, don't get scared. It's on. Gas, turn it on again. It's ready. We're waiting on you. Give it gas. Go ahead, give it gas. Oh, give it gas, nigga. Don't get scared. Your bike, you gotta give it gas. Don't hit it so hard.
He wasn't.
I told him how to do it, bro. He overly did you push it. You know how to do it. He acting scared of it because it's loud. He's scared of that noise. Pull that choke out. Yeah, you ain't getting warm.
No, it's in gear, bro. Hold the clutch in. Hold the clutch in.
You ain't pull off yet. I'm just trying to get you to pull off. It's in gear. It's time to go. Give it gas, give it gas, give it gas. Come on. You popping it. You popping it. Come on, kick it on, kick it on.
Nah, you gotta
really
ease that motherfucker. God, ease that motherfucker. Stopping with the gas.
Like right here.
Nah, but you still stopping with the gas, bro. It's like you pop the clutch, you don't.
Come on, bro. Like, what's going on out here? Talk to the people. We want to know why you can't get the bike to move. Tell them you scared. You scared of the
No, I ain't scared.
So what is it?
Scared vlog.
Well, we scared. So what's going on? When you get on it, you got to pull off on the first try then, since you ain't scared. Go ahead, give it gas. Give it gas, give it gas. Don't stop giving it gas when you moving. I seen you with the clutch. You gotta give it gas.
But yo, also, you don't gotta look. You gotta feel that shit. You don't gotta look, feel that shit.
Now start letting it out. So when you start moving, keep on going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Stopping with the gas.
You gotta give it gas.
When you start moving, you keep pumping the gas.
Keep pumping the gas. Come on. There you go. Yeah. Now when you want to go faster, you go to tilt. Go this way. Come on. When you switching gears, you gotta give it gas. Not yet. You ain't moving. You ain't going nowhere. I ain't telling him to do that, y'all. I wish I put the GoPro on him. He ain't there switching the gear. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh. Oh. Oh, he better not play with it, y'all. How I ride the gears, get on with me.
It's not even like a...
I can show you how I ride the gears. Hold on to me. See my hand?
I know that.
I'm down shifting. I'm like 2 down. If I want to go all the way down, I'm going to go all the way to 1. win. You carry forward, right?
Y'all ain't see me coming
I
back?
seen you.
I had the gears.
Nah,
I was
you
shifting
did good.
gears. I was
Coming back, you
I
did
fucked
good.
up going up, but coming back, I had that.
Yeah, you just gotta switch them through. When you hear kid
I know
go
I
no
fucked
more,
up going up.
Like when you go, man, it's not gonna go no more. So it's time to switch. Man. Then when you going, when you riding, right? When you riding, right, and the shit sound like it ain't going no faster than what you going, and that's when you downshift to get back in the van.
Get back in.
Look, put the clutch in your hand like this.